What's up, everybody? Happy Sunday. It's the day before Halloween. Hope everybody's having a good weekend. On my situation, I'm going to show you how I changed the power steering pressure line on my 93 GMC Sonoma with the 4.3. So what I had to do was I took it off without having to remove the power steering pump or the pulley. All I had to do was remove the air intake on top, the upper and bottom fan shroud, the fan with the fan clutch, and after that, I had to go by on the pump side, the steering box side, you use a 18, and then on the back of the pump you use a 16. So I had to go by this, this line wrench. But the problem was when I would try to put it on to bust it loose from this one. I already changed it, by the way, and this pulley, the crankshaft pulley, would be in the way, or this bolt right here on the steering box would be in the way, so it would go in, but it wouldn't let me either tighten it or loosen it. It wouldn't let me do anything. So I ended up using an 18mm wrench. You're not really supposed to use them. The line wrench is better, but this one I could get leverage and work it. So I just got it in there really tight, snug, and gently broke it loose. Did the same thing with the bottom. I used the 16. And after that, to get out the hose, you cover you're gonna lose a little bit of fluid. You cover your hole, you get a hacksaw, and you cut your line like I did here. You had a couple of pinholes, so the line was busted, but you cut it, and when you take it out, make sure it comes out with the O-rings and your parts kit. This is the one that I used. This Precision came with new O-rings. You lube them up. I snaked it in first. Took off the loom, snaked it in. Put fluid on the rings. Put them in. You tighten it up, and you're good to go. Make sure you always remove your battery. And like I said, when you're cutting your line, using the hacksaw, make sure you cover this. That way you don't get any hose shavings or anything like that, any debris inside. And I did the bottom one first, and then I did the top one. And after I was done installing it, I loomed it back up. And now all I gotta do is, put back my alternator. The alternator, I don't think I needed to get it out of the way, but I ended up doing it just for more clearance. But that was easy. A couple of bolts, and remove this, unplug it, and bam, you're good to go. Alright, everybody, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.